So now we're going to draw a tree by using the same Fibonacci ratio. So if Andrew draws a line up 8 centimeters, it's better if you use a coloured sort of pen for this so it's easier to see it. Like that. And then if he goes across diagonally 5 centimeters either side, there we are, and on the other side as well. And then if he goes up then 3 centimeters either side, and then 2's on the end of them diagonally on each one. You can see it's starting to look a bit more tree-like now. But also as well, if you think about it, it looks a bit like a blood vessel as well. Or like a river, or like the bronchi of your lungs, or anything really. 2, 2, that's it. 2, 2. And then finally then you do 1 centimeter at the end of each one, and it'll look a lot like a tree then. And if you wanted to, you could draw an even bigger one by starting with the next sequence up. Rather than 8, you could start with 13 centimeters and you could draw an even bigger tree. Or you could carry on that 8 centimeters further up and branch off again. And if you go out into nature and you have a look at trees and you measure them, they would all be in this proportion of this ratio. If you measure the bronchi of your lungs, they're all in the same ratio. If you measure the tributaries of a river, they're all in the same ratio. So what I want you to do is when you go out and about looking around at nature, is once you've drawn this, is when you go out and about, have a look for this ratio in trees, in flowers, in rivers, all over the place. And there you have it. Andrew's Fibonacci tree.